Every passing day, we are getting more information regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time we get the official accessories of Galaxy S23 Ultra along with S23 and S23 Plus. And this is out by none other than Evan Blass, the king of leakers. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per Evan Blass, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with a clear gadget case, leather case in black, camel, and green color, a silicone case in cream, green, lavender, navy, and orange. But things didn't stop here. Galaxy S23 Ultra S Pen colors are also out, where we are going to see Galaxy S23 Ultra S Pen in cream, green, lavender, and phantom black colors. As we all know, S Pen will match the body of Galaxy S23 Ultra, so we will get these color options in the Galaxy S23 Ultra at the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra. And this was already confirmed before by Rollin, but he named the colors different, where if we say beige to be cream and rose to be lavender, then both leaks are confirming the colors of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite color for Galaxy S23 Ultra. Some of you guys might know that Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to get a downgrade in selfie shooter from 40 megapixel on S22 Ultra to 12 megapixel on the S23 Ultra. And Samsung will use this same sensor across S23 series, including the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. But there is a big reason behind it, and Samsung did this just to cut the cost on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which means things are getting interesting as Samsung is still struggling to price the Galaxy S23 series. And as per reports, we might see a small jump in the price of the Galaxy S23s, at least $50 on each model of the Galaxy S23 lineup. And just because of this reason, Samsung is going to delay the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, where as per previous reports, S23 Ultra will going to add in the first week of Feb. But for now, Samsung is not able to decide the price of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Then we might see Galaxy S23 Ultra in the mid of Feb or even late Feb, depends on how long it will take for Samsung to decide the price for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Apart from seeing a downgrade on Galaxy S23 Ultra selfie shooter, to some people this doesn't even matters. But what matters is the new 200 megapixel camera, and Samsung will going to update the main sensor only on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Just the main sensor. Other three lenses will remain the same at 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and 10 megapixel telephoto with 10x zoom. If you guys want to look at the real first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.